Hello trader, this is an updated analysis on XAUUSD. We can see with the market open, the price initially has broken below to the daily support level, and then there has been a significant bounce in this instrument. At the moment, the market again started to trend on the lower time frame. So before we look at how we can find trading opportunity in this lower time frame, let's first look at bigger picture on XAUUSD to see how the market is evolving. Now, from the bigger picture perspective on gold, we can see that it is a bull market at the moment. We have seen that there is a significant bounce previously. Historically, from the monthly, we have seen that pullback, and we can see another bounce, deeper pullback. And on the third wave, in terms of earlier wave, if we consider it from this support level here, we can see that this is currently in another impulsive phase, which is the third wave of this upside here. As there was a gap open in this market, we could see that the price ultimately bouncing back to the upside as it is in an all-time high. We could see the price is potentially crossing the 3000 level, and we may see that potential trend continuation for this month as well. If we drop down to the weekly chart to see how the price is evolving, we can see that from the weekly, there is a weekly bullish engulfer. We can see both sides long week from the weekly perspective. And this week, the market opened with a gap as well as the first day of trading week. We have seen that there is a bullish bias so far. The market as expected tested the low and potentially moving back again. We could see that break of the weekly resistance line, and therefore we can see potential trend continuation from the weekly perspective as well. Dropping down to the daily to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the daily perspective, last day of trading week, there was a doji formation. This is a very strong uptrending market. From the daily time frame, we saw that there was a daily trend which was very strong, followed by breakup structure. Now from that breakup structure, it gained momentum. We saw that after this inverted head and shoulder formation, here the price again had a very strong bounce with a daily bullish engulfer formation. The market crossed the daily 20 EMA and formed a bullish engulfer. With that bullish engulfer, we see the price currently had a very strong momentum. And last day of trading week, we saw a narrow doji, which is in fact also bullish candlestick pattern. As we see, there is a narrow green doji formation. Now today's price action opened with a gap, maintaining that series of higher low, giving XAUUSD for possibility to bounce back up again from the daily as well to create a new higher high. If we look at the 1 hour chart to see how the price is evolving, we can see that this is where the market open here, and as expected there was a drop to the daily support level here, and maintaining that support, respecting that important liquidity zone XAUUSD. Today we have seen there is a strong breakout, followed by we have seen a false breakdown here, which in fact a liquidity grab, and as a result we saw that after this doji, the trend again potentially moving back to the upside. As this 1 hour candle is strongly bullish, we can see it's almost 30 minutes gone for this candle. What I think that after this initial pullback, we could see potential trend continuation here, as it is showing that bullish market structure, expecting for XAUUSD to continue to trend to that resistance line where there is high liquidity. So this is where on the lower time frame, 15 minutes and further lower time frame, we will use for entry. As soon as we will find suitable entry in this instrument after price action confirmation, we will be looking for going long on XAUUSD with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.